other people, and who are not musicians, who actually are the audience that consume music, it's actually much harder. When today you can actually trend from 15 seconds of a song, that means it's that easy to trend, which also means that everybody's trying to do that, so the competition is just so much more. So as easy as it is, it's also very hard, but it's a great time to be around.
I think Supra is just over the years become a little more than just a dream. It started off as like all our fans and followers combining our names, which is Sukriti and Prakriti, and calling it Supra. But then over the years, I feel like it became the only medium for us to just kind of put our music. And now, obviously, it becoming a music label is something that we're hoping to grow a lot from. I think something that we want to build and keep working on. So it's just a new journey, and we're super excited about that.
It's a great time. मतलब सबकी अलग playlist है, so I feel like whatever you like, that you'll find something for it.
Hi everyone, it's me Sukriti.
Hi, this is Prakriti, and you're watching us on IWM Buzz.
Hi guys, welcome to IWM Buzz, and today we have Supra sisters with us. So firstly, big congratulations for new song.
Thank you so much.
First time you guys came up with your channel. What do you want to say on that? Who gave this idea?
Well, I think it was this idea was marinating for a very, very long time, and the idea and the dream was to always make our own music, but I think it's a very, very gutsy step to take. For us, because we've always been signed with different labels, and today to kind of start our own channel, which you can call a label, is something that took a lot of thinking, but also I think courage, and I think right now it's really just about the excitement. And Sukriti and I, we always wanted to put out our own music and finally own that music, and I think that's happening through Supra.
What you want to add on this? No?
I think Supra is just over the years become a little more than just a dream. It started off as like all our fans and followers combining our names, which is Sukriti and Prakriti, and calling it Supra. But then over the years, I feel like it became the only medium for us to just kind of put our music. And now, obviously, it becoming a music label is something that we're hoping to grow a lot from. I think something that we want to build and keep working on. So it's just a new journey, and we're super excited about that.
As you said, you got this name from the audience.
Yeah.
No, it's emotions now.
Yeah.
Now it's label too.
Yeah.
How much important is this label for you? No, is it like you want to work on Supra more as compared to the labels?
I feel like it's Supra as a label. It's really going to be a very big creative outlet for us. Like you said, it's an emotion. I think, of course, we'll do songs everywhere else, but when it comes back to Supra, I think organically and authentically, you will really see what we're about. It's going to extend even from music. It's going to have everything from our lives to everything that happens behind the scenes to our concerts, our tours, our journey, our day-to-day vlogs. It's going to have it all, and I think it's just an extension of our personality that's going to be on this label, and I think it'll be a great way for everyone who's loved us so much to get to know us a little more.
As I saw the video, it's too interesting. Now to see the BTS of two sisters is too interesting is always. How was that shooting experience? Is it was like planned?
It was not a
I think
shooting
it was
experience.
the opposite of planned because when the video of Saath Tere, which is our recent song and the first one on Supra, is always going to be so interesting because when we shot that, we just shot. We were on a holiday actually. This was around the first week of January. For New Year's, we had taken a little holiday, and we just taken a lot of things and videos on our phone, so it's literally shot by iPhone, and it's only when we came back we were working on Saath Tere and we just realized that why don't we use that footage as the music video of Saath Tere, and then it was, I feel like a little bit of, not little bit of, it was completely God's plan. It just had to happen that way, and then we just went ahead with it.
So when you work with the labels, labels always give that confidence that your song will get us this point of views. When you're working for your video, what is that target you have chosen for your songs or your label?
To be honest, when you're working with a label, you're working with a certain team. There are a lot of responsibilities. You know, you're donning a hat, and you're just like somebody's basically putting all their belief and faith in you. So there's so much more responsibility, and I think when you work for yourself, at least we've decided between ourselves to not give our song so much pressure, you know, to just actually do it for the love of music, and to do it because we want to make sure the song is out there in the world. And you know, there's a chance that if you love your music, other people also will, and of course you have to keep promoting it, and you have to do whatever it takes to market it. But at the end of the day, it's music, you know, it travels, it really finds its ways. So we've decided this year to just put out as much music as possible, and
Than any other year.
then any other
So-
year, not care so much about the numbers. And I'm sure they're great songs, and they'll all, you know, find its audience.
यस यस आई थिंक अब बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार भी मिला है गाने को 1 मिलियन व्यूज़ आके है नो एक्सपेक्टेशंस था इतना जल्दी प्यार मिलेगा ऑडियंस से द गुड सब्सक्राइबर्स इट्स ऑल्सो देयर फ्रॉम यू
Yeah.
फॉर द चैनल
So I think, you know, Supra was a YouTube channel for the longest time. I think even since we started our careers, we used to do a lot of covers, and we used to also like release some of our independent music. But that channel over the year has so many people who actually know us from, you know, we covered this song or we did a cover of that, you know, song. So it's got subscribers from very early on, and I think now it's just a way for us to just release our music and connect to our fans. So no pressure, but we're just, I think, just at this place where we're just trying to enjoy the
And
process.
have fun, you know. I think the idea this year is to just have fun with our music.
एंड वी कैन सी यू ऑन साथ तेरे
Yeah, that's just the snippet of what's about to, you know, come for the rest of the year. So
when we talk about the music, it's all about the trending. It's all about the how much you got the views, number games, exactly. As a singer, is it challenging? Not I'm talking about Supra. In general, is it challenging from your side also?
Of course. I think, you know, everybody is like in this day and age, you're only validated with numbers. Sadly, it is true because I feel like everybody's worth somehow has come to the 15 seconds of, you know, visibility. Because, and I'm not saying this just for other people, even for me when I'm consuming any content, I sometimes just have the bandwidth for those 20 seconds, you know, to see if I'm enjoying something. So I feel like it is what it is, and I feel like in that time you have to work doubly harder. So we're doing that. We have to work as hard as possible.
I mean, as contrary to what other people, and you know, who are not musicians, who actually are the audience that consume music, it's actually much harder. You know, when today you can actually trend from 15 seconds of a song, that means it's that easy to trend, which also means that everybody's trying to do that. So the competition is just so much more. So as easy as it is, it's also very hard, but it's a great time to be around.
But we have also seen like social media crazes there. कोई भी गाना पुराने अब वो ट्रेंड्स पे आ रहे हैं और वो ट्रेंड्स की वजह से यूट्यूब पे भी काफ़ी वो पॉपुलर हो रहे हैं. Is that happen with you guys also? Any of your song is getting trending now?
Yeah, it happened with a few songs. I feel like Mafia एक ऐसा गाना था जो हम दोनों ने you know बनाया था. We were in that phase where we wanted to kind of do a breakup dance song, and I remember वो TikTok के टाइम पे आया था. जब TikTok बैन हुआ था, then it started trending again on Instagram Reels, and because of that our algo on YouTube changed, and you know, and I was just like, this is magical, you know. For any song, it's such a celebration that it's had its time, but then it comes back and people connect with it today and it becomes a trend, so it feels amazing.
Even Instagram gave the liberty for the individuals also who are trying to give their best from their YouTube channels or from their Insta Reels. Do you think the Instagram become a new page for everyone or new space for the singers also?
Yes, I think Instagram is, you know, like she said, it's a great time to be around. And like, pehle, it used to be so difficult to reach out to people. I feel like now it's just so much easier because of social media. So, you know, a lot of people have to, I feel like it's very difficult to become a influencer or a content creator right now, because that is such a, there are just so many people trying to do the same thing, and you know, there is so much competition, like there is in every other field, but obviously it's very, very competitive, and the kind of content that people are relating to is you know, I feel somehow only the relatable content, like where people are being able to relate with themselves, that's the content that people are consuming more, and that's even I think what we consume the most. Anything that we find ourselves relating to.
So you get the collabs from the influencer also? Any offer you get from the influencer for the collaboration for the songs? Because we see the albums में आजकल सिर्फ influencers आ रहे हैं नजर.
Yeah.
Is that trend you guys also following or?
We
I mean,
have worked
yeah,
with
a lot
some,
of influencers,
for
like,
our music videos.
oh, like for music videos. Yeah, of course. I mean, I think that's what a collaboration really is. Now, what a collaboration does is it mixes two different fandoms, and then your song grows. So I think, yeah, that's a great way to promote your music for sure. But I mean, it is what it is. You know, influencers are very important, and it's an amazing time that you're actually influenced, and we've also worked with them. You know, we've used them to we worked with them to promote certain songs. We've had some of them feature in our music videos, and that's the trend. So I think it's a great time, and we love it.
Okay, there is one thing I want to tell to you. You guys maybe notice that आजकल हम देख रहे हैं जब भी कोई नए singers आते हैं या popular rappers जो है, they always target a girl. No, girls पे ही they bring all the songs. If you have guys noticed, do you think girls become a soft target for the songs or for the rappers?
I mean,
But even girls are doing that, right? I think girls are also bashing men in their songs, and not too many.
Yeah. But most of we are seeing that.
Yeah.
Now top artists are doing on that the same.
I believe that girls are the most beautiful creatures. You know, they have to be spoken about. Like I feel like when there are songs about, you know, girls being complimented, I don't mind it so much. I think it's nice.
As long as you're not objectifying
Yeah.
them, it's all good.
yeah, it's all good.
But
But there are few artists we are seeing no day by day, like they are objectifying on through the reels or through their rapping style.
I think it really depends on the taste of, you know, a person. There is so much music available right now, so I feel like there is no dearth of, you know, choosing what kind of music one likes, because like I feel like when we listen to our favorite artists, we're very like, we choose our music, you know, so I feel like everybody's
it's a great time. मतलब सबकी अलग playlist है, you know. So I feel like whatever you like, that you'll find something for it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.